Man where you dey date dey snore. In the snore. You know that snore?
Uh-huh.
Generator engine snore.
Why they date? Why never
Yes. Where you
marry?
never marry. You go marry him.
I go marry Anna. It is no. There is solution to it. So far he has money. He's a dog. Leave that story. If he gets separate to himself,
It's not really, as far as the money did, it's not even going to sound like
he go.
music.
You don't know. Add the lungs. I sell all those kitchen household that I go give am snoring pink. Chicken for your nose. Every night. Go dey use and sleep. I no go hear anything.
Thank you very much. I don't take it.